playing golf today. Alright, we're playing a little bit of golf today with Dave and his buddy Louie. I'm gonna wait for him to hit his shot first before I continue. Bunky's in the front!
Get over!
Is he gonna clear it?
Get over!
Oh, that was nice.
I got lucky.
Good shot, Dave.
I got lucky.
Yeah, I know you guys don't come here for golf, so
cocky after the
just
shot.
enjoy this little golf montage of Dave, Louie, and I, and yeah, update after the golf. Guys. I played out of my mind today. Well, not really out of my mind, but I had a 6 over 41 on the front. It was a par 35. In the last half, the back 9, I had 3 over, 3 bogeys, 1 birdie, and then I parred the last 4 holes. Putting was much better today. The last round I played in Palm Springs, I shot 96. Wasn't so good. I also couldn't really read the greens there, but here, the reads were much better. The putts were strong enough, and yeah, happy day. Made 50 bucks too. So my round of golf was almost free. It's really hot. It's probably 110. 10 out of 10, don't recommend if you don't like the heat. Playing in the heat's not very nice. But it was a fun day. I don't know what else I'm gonna do besides laundry. Got a lot of chores to do. So if you guys are interested in seeing what my chores are like, stick around. I just took a nap. 115 degrees playing golf. Not a joke. Okay, maybe it didn't get that hot, but at least 110. But I've got laundry to do. I'll put a load of sheets in there. I got 3 rooms. 3. I gotta do sheets in all of them because I've been too lazy to wash these. I still gotta do these again. Starting when I come back from Utah next weekend, I have so many people staying at my house. And they're different people and they're staying for random amounts of times. So I'm just gonna have to keep washing these sheets over and over again. Oh, and as a bonus, I have like 3 loads of laundry that I didn't do yet. Other than that, my room's super clean. Got the logo up. Clean. Don't mind the garbage, but yeah, or the mess on the, yeah. My room is pretty clean for the most part. Also, I put off working out yesterday because my garage still smelled like gas. So I've left my garage open since I came home. Went out there to check. Doesn't smell like gas anymore, so I think I'm gonna go work out, then I'm gonna take a shower, then I'm gonna fold the rest of my laundry, probably put another load of sheets in. But I don't think I'm going to film any of my workout because it's too hot outside and there's 0 chance I'm wearing a shirt. Trying to keep this vlog PG-13. See ya in a flash. Alrighty, workout, check. Shower, check. Laundry. It's still there. It's about 8 p.m. My eating schedule's really bad. I'm not even hungry right now. And I didn't really eat much today. Had a protein bar, tropical smoothie, and a flatbread. God, it's so bad. Like, how am I not hungry right now? I don't understand. Anyways, I could just eat these chips for dinner. I'm just kidding. I got some chicken defrosting in my sink right now. No idea what I'm gonna do to it. I'll probably make some rice. Got some vegetables in the freezer. but I really gotta do this laundry. So I think I'm gonna do that. I have all these jerseys, and usually I hang them up, but I travel so often, I don't know why I don't just fold them. Just leave them packed and ready, or ready to be packed. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Otherwise, nice. Why put them in drawers when they're just gonna go back in my duffel bag? I'm just gonna leave them in this laundry basket, all folded nice, ready to go. Easy to pack. Don't have to undo anything, don't have to go searching for clothes. Just go to this basket so I can pack for tournaments. Let's go. Alright. I think I'm gonna have this for dinner. Changed my mind on the chicken, it was still frozen in the sink. So we're gonna let it defrost in the fridge, maybe eat it tomorrow. Rice, fish, some vegetables. Easy. I wish I had something quick to make, but it is what it is. We'll let this thing cook. I'll be done at like 9 o'clock. Pretty average dinner for me. Terrible. Look at it. Isn't that the most appetizing thing you've ever seen in your life? Just kidding, it's probably not. But that's my dinner. Rice, that mahi-mahi, and some peas and carrots. Put a little bit of soy sauce in there. Mix it all up. I like mixing my food. I know Chris doesn't like his food to touch. Let me know in the comments. Do you like to mix your food together? Or no touch? That's it for today. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog or not tomorrow, but please do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell if you're enjoying the content. It really helps us out a lot. Drop a like and, you know, like I said, comment below about the food or anything else. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.